We are to witness data scraping from a web data table. As you now see, there are about close to 300 records to be fetched from this data table. These data will be fetched by means of RPA or robotic process automation and then copied into the Excel file in split seconds by running the data scraping bot. As you can now see, all data from the web data table have been copied here in Excel file. I hope this video clearly demonstrated the power of RPA in data scraping. This is very useful for marketing or sales teams. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.